When I was in the first year of my college, I was looking for a genuine video that would help me to make some money during the first year of my college. But I didn't find any. Sad, right? But don't worry. Today, I am Rahul Singh here in front of you after 5 years of that incident, and I am going to help you today with the most genuine ways that can help you to make money online as a college student. And trust me, if you watch this video till the end and you follow the process that I am going to tell you in this video, then within a span of 1 to 1.5 months, you are definitely going to make some money with the help of the tips or the tricks that I am going to tell you in this video. Let's get started. So first of all, a short disclaimer. This is going to be the most genuine video on the internet that you are going to find as a college student that can help you to make money as a college student. I have literally spent days or weeks, you can say, on this topic about how you can make money because I never wanted to fool you, okay? I just wanted to help you. I just wanted to help the college students. And while I was researching for this video, I was thinking about myself when I was in the first year and how hard really I tried to make money in the college. And I really didn't find any genuine video on YouTube that could help me to make money within a month, or you would say instantly. Everyone was talking about freelancing, everyone was talking about internship and all, everyone was talking about making videos on the YouTube, but nobody was literally talking about how to make easy money in the college years, okay? So let's forget those topics of freelancing or internships for a few minutes and let's dive with me on few short tips and tricks to make money as a college student. So number one, the most genuine app that I found on internet. I researched a lot about this app. I have read about that on Quora, and it is not a big promotion. I mean, I have 20 subscribers. Why would I do that? Okay. So the name of this app is Philo. So if you are an Android user, just go on the Google Play Store and download this app. So bhaiya, what this app do? What we would have to do? Let's like a survey or something? No. So you are a college student, right? So you must have clear 10th or 12th standards, right? And if you are someone who is interested in teaching students, or you can at least teach, okay, because you are a college student and you wanted to make some money. So just download this app, verify your documents. It will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes of your, and once your verification is done, you are ready to make some money. So there will be just the doubts of few students, or you can say the students who are studying in 10th or 12th standard for the subjects like physics, chemistry, math or biology, and you would have to solve those with the help of a short video of 1 minute, or you can extend it as much as you can, and then you would be paid for the tutoring. How amazing is that? So I just recently found this app and I was just reading about its reviews on Quora, and the reviews are really amazing. So you can just first go on Google and type reviews of Philo app, and you can get there the link of Quora and you can read about that. And once you find it that okay, it's a genuine app or it's no fake, then you can go and download this app and it will definitely help you to make some money. I am promising you. So platform number 2 is an amazing platform that will help you to make 10 times more money than the platform number 1 that I have just told you, that is Philo app. So the name of the second platform is check.com. You must have heard that if you are a college student and you have searched anywhere about how to make money in college, okay? I also got to know about that platform when I was researching during the first year, 5 years ago. But at that time, that this platform was not that popular. And look, I am from Tier 3 college, okay? I was doing referral there. I was doing referral to my friends some apps, and I used to get 500 rupees and I was really happy. But I have one friend of me, he is from NIT, and he told me about this app 1 month ago. Then he said he had made around $500 from that app by solving the questions, and I was like, whoa. So if you are someone who is quite intelligent, or nowadays ChatGPT can help you. I cleared the test with the help of ChatGPT a month ago of an expert on Check. The test is really easy. You can get those answers on Google as well. So you will do a little bit of cheating, okay? I am not saying completely cheating, but a little bit of that. Okay, that can also help you to make easy money with the help of Check. And the basic price of solving a single question on Check is, I think, 168 INR. So that is a good amount. So if you are solving 2 to 3 questions daily, then on monthly basis, you can imagine how much money you can make. And if you get a bit serious about that, then you can make a hell lot of money out there. So it completely depends on your hard work and the time you are putting in. So you can put a damn whole day, or you can put 10 to 20 minutes as well. So it completely depends on you. So the tip number 3 is writing articles. if you have some of the tech knowledge, or you can say of any field, but within the tech, then you can write articles related to that. Yes, content writing you can say. And that is a quite underrated skill, but that can help you to make a lot of money. When I was in the second year of my college, I heard about writing articles on GFG, and that was the time I was learning DSA. I went on GFG portal of writing the articles and I wrote few, but those got rejected. I don't know why. But now you can try. There are a lot of platforms like Geeks for Geeks or Medium.com. On those platforms, you can directly go and write articles about whatever the topic or the tech you know. And once those articles get verified, you get paid for it. And that is a genuine way. And once you get used to, then you can write a large number of articles and you can get paid in dollars. So you can make a large amount from that too. So you can try those platforms, and there are a lot of platforms I have just told you to, and you can research about that which platform pays well. I have not researched about that like which platform pays higher or which platform pays low. I have not researched about that. You can go and directly research. If you like content writing, then you can directly jump to these websites and make money just by writing articles on whatever tech that you like. Just simply go and write over there, or you can use ChatGPT as well. Like, just say to ChatGPT or GPT-4, like, write an article for me and remove the plagiarism and submit over there and make some money. Now the choice is yours, what path you choose and how you make money. I have told you the way, and you can define your path over there. So the tip number 4 is something contradictory. It is something a sort of freelancing, but it's not completely freelancing. I mean, I have mentioned it because I made some money with the help of this. That's why I am saying to you that you can make money from this as well. This is graphic designing or video editing. I mean, I learned video editing in the first year of my college because I started a gaming channel, but that channel didn't work well. But with the help of that, I got to learn about graphic designing and video editing. And I went on LinkedIn. I applied to around thousands of jobs. I used to apply for 10 to 12 jobs daily for the post of graphic designer or video editor. And luckily, after 2 to 3 months, I got a call from a company in Calcutta, I think. And what my work was just to make, I think, 2 to 3 Canva posts for them. And that was a really easy work for around half an hour daily. And they paid me $4,000 a month. I worked there for 2 months, I think. So that's a healthy amount for a college student in second year. And that was really a big amount for me. Okay, that was my first salary, you can say. I worked up full time, but that was not full time, and that was not a freelancing also. So that was an intermediate thing, but that helped me to make money. So a big thanks to that company that gave a chance to a fresher and believed in me. So a big thanks to that. And you can make money from that as well. So just go on Canva and practice a bit. Canva is really easy. So just go on and try to make a bit of thumbnails, or you can say a social media posts, and go on LinkedIn, make your profile and apply for the jobs. But this thing will take time. Yeah. The first 3 things that I have told you will make you money within a month or within a week. But that final thing, that 4th topic that I am saying you that you should learn a skill of video editing or graphic designing, that will take you around 6 months. Yeah. And along with the job applications, and it depends on your luck that you get selected or not. But once you get, you can make a bit of money from that as well, and you can try your luck in that as well. And if you have interest in that, then no other thing can match the level of income that you can make, that you are going to make in these fields. So it completely depends on your interest. If you have interest in coding, just go with copywriting. Or if you have interest in teaching, or you think that your 10th or 12th standard subjects are really strong, then you can choose these platforms out of Chegg or Philo. It depends on your interest and the amount of money you are making. And if you think you want to do something creative, then you can choose graphic design or video editing, I think. And you can go on LinkedIn or any other platform, or you can go on Twitter, show your work, apply for the jobs, grab that job and make your money. So these were the straightforward tips from my side, and these are the most genuine ways, I think. And I think nobody is going to tell you these secrets, okay? So just follow any of those of your interest, and you are definitely going to make money in your college. Who says that college students don't make money, right? So that's a video from my side for you, and I think you can make money from that. If yes, then please come after 2 to 3 months and comment on this video that this video was helpful for you, okay? I will be getting in the next video. Till then, goodbye.